Hi, my name is Trine and we're making a monster noughts and crosses board today. This is going to be really fun for the kids to make and for the family to play. To make our monster noughts and crosses, we're going to need a paintbrush, a roller kit, some primer, some painter's tape, some PVA, some sandpaper, some pebbles, a Sharpie, a paddle pop stick, some goggle eyes, some paints and a placemat. First thing we're going to do is put a primer onto our placemat. That's going to make our colours a lot brighter. This is going to take about 20 minutes to dry, and while it's drying we can get started on our monsters. These are our pebbles, which are going to be our little monsters. I'm just going to give them a light sand just because they're a glossy finish. Now we get painting. This is an acrylic paint and it's going to stick really well to these pebbles and it's safe for kids to use. I've chosen a vibrant red and an orange, but you can do it in any colours that you like. We've just put our pebbles aside to dry and we're going to get onto our top coat for our playing board. Just making this a nice thick coat, just so we cover up that base layer. Now we're going to decorate our monsters. We're going to put some goggle eyes on them. And then we're going to use our Sharpie to make some faces to really bring them to life. To make the crisscrosses on our board, we're going to use our painter's tape. So now we just go ahead and paint. I've chosen a really bright blue for our squares. And now it's time to remove our tape to reveal our crisscrosses. Just nice and gently. Now we're ready to play. Yes! It's probably a bit more fun if you play with someone else.